No, I've been unscrewing it. I gotta look at what somebody's done in the past. And unscrew everything. And then I flipped it up and getting ready to take these out so we can take the sides off and then separate the top and the bottom, clean all the metal up and everything and put it back together. So it just breaks right off. Man, it's dry rotted really bad. You can't bend it at all, it just breaks. Pretty rusty on the inside of this. And the other screw on the other side had broken off, and they're in there for a long time. So I gotta drill the top off. I'm not getting it to move over there. That's a bottom bit where it's real short at the top. Yep, there it moved across. I just had to take that top because the screw broke off flush. Yeah, see how rusted that is? And that's why this broke off. The aluminum looks good, but I'll take this apart, and if I can, I'll try to get this piece out so we can acid clean this. The top one looks good. I got all the screws out of the top one. Well, if you look in here, this piece right here is pretty corroded. I had to leave it in and tap and die it because it would have ended up being a lot more work. But I did manage to drill out the bolt that was in there and put new threads in it. I got to easy out through most of it out, but I would have run chase through it all with a tap. There's quite a bit when it goes involved in taking an MG windshield all apart, cleaning everything. It's been sitting for probably been in there 40 years after that. Bolts broken up here and up here, and I had to take it all apart, drill them out, re-tap them, and re-thread everything. Tapped everything, re-cleaned everything, put everything together. I still had to trim up the extra rubber across the bottom, so I can trim off the extra rubber. Oh. I'm gonna mount and rivet these on. I cleaned the originals up real good, but I didn't know if we end up going to replace them or not. Alright, well the new rubber comes, it's tight. Like anybody's done rubbers, the new rubber is curled under, and to get the windshield to go down low enough, we got to crank the 2 bolts in the middle a little bit at a time. We have not got these bolts on the sides to line up yet. And we got to push down. We're pulling the, see how the rubber's in right here and it's out there? If you look down it, and then I'm taking this tool and walking down it. And you got to be really careful because we're right next to fresh paint. And I'm pulling it up and kind of flipping it over to come on the outside because it was tucked under. Take it from there. And every time we do it, we go back and tighten these up. And every time they move a little bit farther, they get real soft. And these are supposed to be flat and flush, so this windshield's a little bit much, man. It's like structural or something. And you gotta go through so much shit to put a window.
It is definitely an aviation style.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, bolt it down this way and all. I guess we ought to see if we can get some of our 2 side bolts in, because we're almost flush. All I can say is you can see where it is. It's been a very hard process. You had to pull down on the windshield frame quite a lot and push it forward at the same time. So we had this through one hole, this through another hole, prying it this way and trying to line up the bolts. So both sides are in. All I can say is very fun.